Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce IT costs with Microsoft 365, beginner guide step by step clearly. Explore Microsoft 365 and its various plans to find the best fit for your organization. Evaluate your current IT expenses to identify areas where Microsoft 365 can provide savings. Consider the cost effectiveness of a cloud-based solution compared to traditional on-premises software. Implement Microsoft Teams to enhance collaboration while reducing the need for additional communication tools. Utilize OneDrive for Business for secure file storage and sharing, minimizing the need for costly physical storage solutions. Leverage SharePoint to create a centralized document management system, streamlining access and collaboration. Explore Power Automate to automate repetitive tasks, increasing efficiency and reducing manual labor costs. Assess the potential savings from using Microsoft 365 instead of maintaining outdated hardware and software. Review the potential reduction in IT support costs by adopting a managed, cloud-based solution. Train your team on Microsoft 365 features to maximize its benefits and ensure a smooth transition. Monitor your usage and adjust subscriptions as needed to align with your organization's growth and changing requirements. Consider the benefits of integrated security features within Microsoft 365 to enhance data protection and reduce risks. Evaluate software updates and maintenance costs, as Microsoft 365 provides automatic updates without additional fees. Encourage feedback from team members on the effectiveness of Microsoft 365 in improving productivity and cutting costs. Conduct regular reviews of your Microsoft 365 usage to identify further opportunities for cost savings. Stay informed about new features and plans that Microsoft may offer to optimize your IT spending. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.